Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're installing brand new LED recessed lights into a finished ceiling. These modern lights are energy efficient, sleek, and easy to install even if you're doing it yourself. Step 1. Tools and materials. Before starting, here's what we're using. A set of ultra-thin LED recessed lights with junction boxes, wire strippers, pliers, and electrical tape. A hole saw, 4 inches in this case. A voltage tester, safety gloves, and a headlamp for visibility. Step 2. Cutting the ceiling hole. We've already measured and cut a clean 4-inch hole in the ceiling using a hole saw. Make sure you measure carefully and check for any framing or wires. Above before cutting. Step 3. Wiring the junction box. Now we're connecting the house wires to the junction box. Black to black, hot, white to white, neutral, and ground to ground. Always double check your wire connections and make sure the power is off before working. Step 4. Securing the box. Once the wires are properly connected and tucked into the box, we secure the cover and prepare to plug the light into the junction box connector. Step 5. Inserting the light. The light easily snaps into the ceiling with its spring clips. Push up firmly until it sits flush with the drywall. Outro, and that's it. A clean, professional look with energy-efficient LED lighting. Don't forget to test your switch before calling it done. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more DIY tips and let us know what you're working on next.